Okay, so we're going to show you 5 card tricks and then we'll show you how they're done. So the first trick is called Color Monty and it involves 3 cards. First card is an ace of diamonds. Second card is also an ace of diamonds. And the third card is an ace of spades. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the top card down to the bottom. So now on the bottom of the pack you'd think is the black card. Well, you're wrong, it's the ace of diamonds. So now if you say, do you want to look at the middle card? Say nope, top card, still the ace of diamonds. So put it back down. So the middle card, yep, you guessed it, ooh, it's the ace of diamonds. So now you're thinking I've just shown you 3 red cards. Well, you'd be wrong, because the black one's on the bottom. Okay, just to prove I'm using 3 cards, there's 1, 2, 3 there. Okay, so if this card is the black, this card is the red, what is this card here? Yes, you're probably guessing it's the red, but you're wrong, because it's a joker. Okay, how we've done that is you need to get 3 cards arranged like this. You need your joker, and then you need a red card and a black card, so you've got this. Okay, so what you say is you've got 3 cards. You do a double lift, which is where you lift 2 cards as one, like that. Okay, you say it's the ace of diamonds. Then you replace them, but only put the top card down. So, and then you say, I've got the ace of diamonds, but it's still the same card. And then you say, I've got the ace of spades. Okay. And then when you say I put the top card to the bottom, what you've actually done is another double lift. Okay, so you've put both of those to the bottom. So instead of the black being on the bottom, it is actually the red. Okay, this next part's quite complicated, so you'll have to watch closely. Okay, you slide the top card down and then the middle card up. Okay, so that you've got 2 cards, the back and the front card level, but the middle card is there. So then you take the bottom and the top card as one. So you've actually got the 2, but it looks like the 1. And you show it as the ace of diamonds, and then you replace it. So then when you show the middle card, it is still the ace of diamonds. Okay, so then you put them back together, and when you say I've just shown you 3 red cards, you can turn it to the bottom where the black's already there. So at this stage you should have this layout with the joker and then the diamonds and then the spades, and then you do this little thing again with the 2 cards. Okay, to the top, show it as the ace, showing the middle card as the ace again, and then replacing it back to the middle, and then you count out the 3 cards to prove you're not cheating, and you count 1, 2, 3, and then you turn them over and say if this one's the red card and this one's the black card, you've actually got the joker in your hand, so when you put that down you can say what is it, and the person you're doing it to should say red because they've seen 2 red cards, but you can say it's actually the joker. Okay, this trick's called changing card. What I'll do is I'll show you how it's done as I do it. So the idea is you look at the top card and you slide it and it changes. Okay, so the way this is done is you slide the top card up just enough so you get this second card here, you see that? So it's just slide it up, and then you grab this bit here. Actually it's probably easier if I put a black card there you go. Put this black card and you just take it with the bottom of your palm like that. So if you can see, I can slide it down. Okay. And then, if you hear it click, and that's when you slide it back up. So altogether it will sort of look something like this. But that was a bit rubbish. Okay, there we go.
Jumping card. What's that? Oh, right. Right. Right, this one's called jumping card. You go to this height. You go have two of spades. Back to front. Two of spades. Right, you put it back on top of the pack, right, you stick it underneath, right, click your fingers, and it jumps, oh. Okay, let's try that again. Right, okay, you have two of spades, and you put it on top of the pack, you stick it underneath, it jumps back to the top. Right, how that's done is you do the double lift to show the second card, then you put it back on top, then you take the top card, stick it underneath, snap your fingers, and it's back. Switching card. Should I do that?
What one is it?
Switching, where you got that?
Okay.
Okay. Well, you're going to need to come here. Right. Okay, right. So, right, so, right, pick a card. Right. Okay. Okay, and let's stick back on top. Okay, then you go like this. Shuffle the pack. Okay, right. And then, okay, so then you say, right, is this your card? Right, so like, then you go this way. Watch. Right, so you go, is this your card?
No.
You're sure this isn't your card?
Yeah, I'm sure my card was the king of clubs.
Oh. What, you mean this card here?
Yeah, that card there.
Okay, right, how that's done is, right, is that you ask them to pick a card. Pick one. Right, and you ask them to put it back on top. Right, then you do the full shuffle, which is where you take off past the top card, and then you just shuffle it. Right, and then you take out any random card, and you turn it over, and then you pick up the top card and that card as one. So you've got that on one side, and their card on the other. Right, and then you hold it like this. And then they say when it's in their when they say it isn't their card, you just ping that round, and it'll change into their card. So it looks like this. Yeah. Right. And then there's right. Right. Whack the pack. This one's called whack the pack. Okay. Right. Right. Come here. Right. The card. Show it to the camera. Right, and stick it on top. Okay, I've completely forgotten how you do this. Please think. Okay.
Shuffle them up.
Oh yeah, I know, I remember now. Right. Okay. This isn't really, but right, you shuffle them up. Right, so there. Well, I don't know. Wait, should we just start again? Because I think I remember. Okay, 561 seconds.
Okay.
Right, okay, right. Let's start again. Right, so pick a card. Why did you always go right? Right, you got it. Okay, now stick it back on top. Right, and then right. So then you cut the pack. Right, and then right, I'm going to try and find his card. Okay. Okay, right, I think I've got your cards, right? Was that your card?
No.
Oh, you're sure?
Yeah.
Right, you're not lying?
No, I'm not lying.
Okay. Right, okay, come here.